Hey y'all, welcome to Pink Pizzazz Boutique. Today I'm going to be making a gown that's going to go with a hair bonnet, a reversible hair bonnet. So I got to sew the sides and the bottom. So let's get started.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me. Baby, put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well. It's not that easy. Waking up in this place.
I also have to hem the sleeve, so I'm going around and hemming the sleeve. I'm going to do that on both sides. Then I just need to hem the bottom and I will be done. Okay, that is the finished product. Our nightgown with a hair bonnet to go with it. And the hair bonnet is reversible. Okay, so thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you like this video and want to see more. Thank you. Bye.